Hi guys, I'm just going to do a little video to really show you how to get the best out of your preparation for the skin by using the Outback Organics gel cleanser and the Botanical Oil. So I'm going to start with the cleanser, which everyone who uses it knows comes out as a gel, and once it touches the skin turns into a liquid. So we're going to do the whole of the leg with the cleanser, but there's no alcohol in our products. So the Rosehip ingredient in here is really designed to hydrate and soften. So I want to work that cleanser in against the hair, particularly on the outsides of the leg and knee area, which are the ones that are particularly prone to ingrown hairs and stubborn resistant hairs to come out. So I'm really working the cleanser in, and then we're going to use the Botanical Oil, which you can either spray directly onto the skin or into the glove, and again with the hands work the oil in just like you've done with the cleanser. So the whole idea is to get some movement in the skin so that the follicles are more likely to release the hair. And once you've worked that in, we're going to take a tissue, fold it nice and flat, and we're just going to take away the excess oil. You cannot over wipe, and it will leave a beautiful silk residue on the skin that we can apply our wax onto. But have a little look at the skin, the hydration in the skin, so that this hair is going to get released from the follicle instead of potentially being broken. Perfect preparation.